Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
They cannot be treated as employee of consultant or advisor of the respondent DMRC stop. If this connection of the petitioner is accepted, then no person who had earlier worked in any capacity with the central government or other autonomous or public sector undertakings would be eligible to act as an arbitrator even he is not even remotely connected with the party in question like DMRC, in this case stop. The amended provision puts an embargo on a person to act as an arbitrator who is the employee of the party to the dispute stop. It also deprives a person to act as an arbitrator if he had been the consultant or the advisor or had any past or present business relationship with DMRC stop. No such case is made out by the petitioner stop. It cannot be said that simply because the person is a retired officer who retired from the government or other statutory corporation or public sector undertaking and had no connection with DMRC, the party in dispute, he would be treated as ineligible to act as an arbitrator stop. Had this been the intention of the legislature, the 7th schedule would have covered such persons as well stop. Bias or even real likelihood of bias cannot be attributed to such highly qualified and experienced persons simply on the ground that they served the central government or PSUs even when they had no connection with DMRC stop. The very reason for empaneling these persons is to ensure that technical aspects of the dispute are suitably resolved by utilizing their expertise when they act as arbitrators stop. It may also be mentioned herein that the Law Commission had proposed the incorporation of the schedule which was drawn from the red and orange list of IBA guidelines on conflict of interest and international arbitration with the observation that the same would be treated as the guide to determine whether circumstances exist which give rise to such justifiable doubts stop. Such persons do not get covered by red or orange list of IBA guidelines either stop. The supplier shall for the warranty the goods supplied under this contract shall have no defect arising from design, material of workmanship or from any act or commission or the supplier normal use of the supplied goods in the condition obtained in the country of final destination stop. Warranty shall remain valid up to 40,000 rounds of pistol and 18 months from other items from the date of acceptance of stores stop. The consignee shall promptly notify the supplier in writing of any claim arising under this warranty stop. Upon receipt of such notice, the supplier having been noticed failed to remedy the defects within the warranty period prescribed in this clause, the purchaser may proceed to take such a medical action as may be necessary at the supplier's risk and expense and without prejudice to any other rights which the purchaser may have under the contract stop. The manufacturer will be required by the intender on actual price basis stop. Warranty support will include installation and commissioning of equipment free of charge stop.